Hey, I'm Connor with GME Supply, and in this video, we're going to explain the Controlled Descent and Rescue training course offered by our training partners, Safety LMS. Receiving proper training is not only important to your health and safety, but required to even step foot on most job sites in the at-height industries. Safety LMS has a demonstrated expertise in at-height training with over 18,000 certifications earned through their courses. They offer an ever-expanding selection of training courses that'll prepare and certify you for almost any kind of at-height work. From competent climber and rescuer to capstan hoist operation, their detailed curriculums give you the knowledge you need to keep yourself and others safe and productive on the job site. But in this video, we want to focus specifically on their Controlled Descent and Rescue course. This 2-day course includes a classroom portion and hands-on technical experience with ropes, descent devices, rescue techniques, and much more. The classroom portion will focus on rules, regulations, and best practices of controlled descent in general and construction industries, while the hands-on portion consists of controlled descent techniques and systems. Upon completion of this course, students will have a learned and demonstrated ability to recognize site hazards, select appropriate fall protection equipment, inspect said equipment, assemble a complete rope descent system, and safely work from a rope. The course also includes a rescue element, which covers self-rescue, pick-off, partner rescue, and rig for rescue. It should be noted that this controlled descent course requires previous training in fall protection and restraint. This course can be held at the Safety LMS Training Center nearest you, which are now located in Columbia, Missouri, Atlanta, Georgia, Dallas, Texas, or Corona, California. Or they'll come to you if there's an appropriate and available training site in your area. Safety LMS trainers are some of the best and most experienced in the industry, with over 150 years combined experience in the at-height industries. You can trust their knowledge to fully prepare you for anything and everything you need to know. Pricing for this course is per individual. However, group rates are offered. This course has a minimum class size requirement, so group training is encouraged. To learn more about the Controlled Descent and Rescue course or any of Safety LMS's training course offerings, head over to safetylms.com or gmesupply.com. If you found this video helpful or entertaining, don't hesitate to drop us a like and consider subscribing to our channel.